There is a lie you've been told about money. That the most powerful payment tool ever created is just a plastic trap. You've been taught to fear them, to avoid them, to use debit because it's safer. And the truth is, 99% of people use them exactly like that, as a way to spend money they don't have.
But smart money, the financial elite, they use them as a hack.
A hack to get banks to pay them for using their own money. In this analysis, we will dismantle the debit lie and give you the 4-step system the 1% uses to turn credit into a wealth machine. Culminating in the one unbreakable rule that changes everything. First, let's talk about the card you think is safe, your debit card. It's comfortable, it's responsible, but it is the worst financial tool in your wallet. When you pay with debit, you are spending your money immediately. If a scammer clones your card, it's your money that disappears. And you'll have to fight the bank to get it back. If you buy something and it's defective, it's your money that's held hostage. But the worst crime of the debit card is this. It gives you nothing in return. 0 rewards, 0 protection, 0 history, 0 leverage. It's a one-way ticket. A servant that only knows how to give your money away. Smart money knows that your own money should never be the first line of defense. Smart money uses someone else's money. Welcome to the 4-step system. The first 3 redefine the game. The 4th one wins it. Step 1, the mental reframe, the bank's money. You must change your mindset. This is crucial. When you use a credit card, you are not spending your money. You're using the bank's money for free for 30 days. Your real money stays safe in your account, earning interest or ready to be invested. You are creating a 30-day float between your expenses and your capital. This is the first layer of your financial defense. Step 2, the double currency, the rewards. The banks are in a war, a brutal war for you, and their weapons are rewards. Every time you use your debit card for gas or groceries, you get 0. Every time you use a credit card, you accumulate their second currency, points. This is literally free money. Whether it's 2% direct cash back or 5x points on travel miles, the banks are paying you to use their money to buy the things you were going to buy anyway. 99% of people focus on the debt of the card. The 1% focuses on the return on investment. Step 3, the secret leverage, the score. Here is the hack nobody explains to you. Credit leverage. A high credit score isn't for bragging. It is your most underrated financial asset. Your debit card builds you 0 history. To the system, you don't exist. Your credit card, used correctly, is a tool that shouts to the system that you are trustworthy. And why do you want that? It's not to get more cards. It's to pay less for the things that truly matter. Buying a house, a car, or funding your business. An excellent credit score can save you $50, $100, or $200,000 in interest on a mortgage. That is the true power of leverage. It's the difference between working for your money and having your reputation work for you. If you're understanding the power of this system, if you're ready to stop giving your money away, pause this analysis for a second and comment the word card in the comments below. It's the sign that you're in the 1%. And if this analysis is giving you value, show it with a like. It's free and it helps this knowledge reach more people trapped in the debit scam. Good. You have the mindset, the rewards, and the leverage. You have built the machine. But all of this becomes a deadly trap if you don't master the final step. And here it is, the most important step of this entire video. The one unbreakable rule that separates the debtor from the millionaire. The secret isn't just pay your bill in full. The real secret is when you pay it. You see, your card has two key dates, and 99% of people only know one of them. The payment due date and the statement date. 99% of people anxiously wait for the payment due date. The 1% lives by the statement date, and this is the difference. The payment due date is simply the last day to pay without being charged interest. It's the safety net.
But the statement date is the day the bank takes a snapshot of your balance
And reports it to the credit bureaus. And that snapshot becomes your utilization ratio. If you have a $10,000 limit and the bank takes the photo when you owe $3,000, it reports to the world that you use 30% of your credit. Your score stagnates. If you owe $8,000, it reports 80%. Your score plummets. Here is the hack, the golden rule. Pay 100% of your balance before the statement date, not a day after, before. When the bank goes to take the snapshot on your statement date, what does it say? It sees a balance of 0. The bank reports to the credit bureaus that you have a $10,000 limit and that you owe nothing. Your utilization is 0%. Your score skyrockets. But here is the magic. The bank charges you 0 interest, but you keep 100% of the points and rewards from the purchases you made. I repeat, 0 debt reported, 0 interest paid, maximum benefit. You win the points. You win the score. You win the 30-day float. You have used the bank's money. The bank has paid you to use it. And to the rest of the world, you look like a financial ghost. That is the golden rule. Let's review the system. You left a debit trap, which only takes your money. You adopted step 1, the spend the bank's money mindset. You've mastered step 2, accumulating rewards, the bank's secret currency. You understood step 3, the power of leverage to build your score. And most importantly, you now know step 4, the golden rule. Pay 100% before the statement date. This is just the tip of the iceberg. This is only one of the hacks that smart money uses every day to build their financial defense, while the rest remain trapped in the system. At Digital Dollar Wallet, our sole mission is to dismantle the system and give you the blueprints in visual Art Deco analyses. If you are ready for the next level, if you want more strategic analyses just like this, subscribe and turn on notifications, because your next financial defense is already being built.